Hello?
Hello?
Hi, Susan, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, you must be planning on the time travel, right? You're planning on traveling back to the future?
That's right. Can you install one?
Hello?
Hi, are you looking for a new roof?
I'm calling about your
Hi, this is Donna with Car Services.
Hello?
It's Brenda here with the Pacific Builders. We've been helping a lot of folks here locally because we are a pretty local company. We've got 40% discount off for any work that you want to get done for the house here. And we're going to leave you with a no cost, no obligation estimate at your convenience so you can have it for your perusal. What do you think you might be doing here next? Any plans?
No, not, well, actually, do you know how to install a flux capacitor?
Say that again?
Do you know how to install a flux capacitor?
What's that, for the air conditioning or something?
No, this is like a power unit. It's like a flux.
Okay, what do you get?
Flux.
Yeah, I've heard of that. You know what? Can you hold on 1 second because I don't want to get you wrong information.
Okay.
Hold on 1 second. Okay, hold on. Don't go. I'm going to put you on hold a minute.
Are you kidding me? By the way, all these calls, I don't call them. They call me. So I have no sympathy for them. Let's bring in a video game here. Let's do this.
I have no idea how they're going to install a flux capacitor.
Absolutely not. I can't wait to hear what she says. She's checking on it. My sons are playing some kind of video game in the background. I'll move it up as we go in, but...
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, Susan, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, you must be planning on the time travel, right? You're planning on traveling back to the future?
That's right. Can you install one?
Yeah, we can do that for you. Are you going to be home this afternoon? Are you going to be there?
No. I'm in Hilldale.
Hilldale? Oh, well, that's right, of course. Okay, well, we're going to be there, okay? It's only like 2:39. I'll be there by 4 o'clock, okay?
Oh, hold on. Let me get my son.
Yeah, how you doing?
Hey there. Hey, your mom's a real trip there.
Yeah, what is it you want to do?
She wanted to install a flux capacitor to travel back to the future.
Well, my mom is a little off her rocker. So what is it you do? You're with the phone company?
Okay, look, you know what we're doing? We're giving no cost, no obligation estimates for work for the house. Do you honestly need anything there? Roofing, painting, anything?
Nah. I don't have a house. We moved. We're in an apartment now.
Okay. Well, you tell your mother she's a real hoot. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Okay. Goodbye.
She didn't even question the background sounds. What the heck? At least this one figured it out that it was not real. That was pretty good. Hey, thanks for watching, and as always, I don't know what I normally say here. I forgot. I'll just stand here so that I can put a couple of graphics here. Maybe one over here. I think we're done.